Hi friends, how are you? So this is Parag from Comfort Zone Liberation Hub, and I am here to ask you one question: that do you have 8 hours, the entire span of 10 days? If your answer is yes, then what I'm going to share is going to be very interesting for you. Meaning, by sparing only 8 hours in the entire span of 10 days, you will be in a position to create an e-learning program which is powerful and valuable to the world, and you have that opportunity once again. But the change in this program is I will be live with you the entire program, so that you will have so many questions or clarifications needed, and then and there only I can clarify so that you can create, and with a very simple steps for you, so that you can create a powerful program for you. So a lot to share, and I invite you to attend this webinar and to know what is in store for you, so that you can take the part into it, right? So I'll see you in the webinar. Till then, bye bye.